Today I will walk you through entire process of buying domain with Cloudflare step by step. I will show you the most common mistakes people make that cause their domain to be unverified and not working, and also how to save the most amount of money. If you want to know my recommendation for the best domain registrar, you can go and check this video inside here. But for now, let's take a look at Cloudflare. First, we need to go to Google and then search for Cloudflare Registrar. Then click on this result, or you can go there directly by using my link in the description. This is what the landing page will look like. Here you will find a field to look up your domain name, and there are two possible scenarios. First one is that you pick a domain that is already taken. Those will be shown as not available, meaning you will need to go and find a new domain. The second option is that you find a domain you like and it's available. The availability is shown with this green check mark. As you can see, Cloudflare offers the lowest possible price since they don't profit from domain sales at all. It's simply a way to bring you into their ecosystem. If you like this domain, we can go and click on purchase. After that, you will need to go and create an account. I personally choose to go with my Google account. Once that's done, you will be taken to checkout page where you see all the important details, including automatic renewal, which is super easy to turn off. To save the most amount of money, you can consider locking in today's prices for a longer time period. Since prices will keep rising with inflation, you can go and save more money in the long term. The maximum registration period is 10 years. Before continuing, please make sure you will review your domain name letter by letter to make sure it is spelled correctly, since purchases cannot be refunded. Next, fill in all of your information inside here. Make sure you use your actual legal information, as this is required for the official domain registration. Even though it's not explicitly stated on this page, Cloudflare does offer free WHOIS privacy, which hides all of your personal information from publicly accessible databases. Anyone looking up your domain will only see Cloudflare's data, not your personal ones. Once that's filled in, click Continue to proceed to Payment Gateway, where you will just enter your credit card and billing information. After that, we can go and click on Pay for domain, and after paying, just wait a moment, and the domain will be ready inside here. You will immediately see your fully functional domain in here. Now we can go and manage it. So click on Manage Domain to access it. Inside, you will find a general overview, the ability to update your contact information, and also a lot of additional settings you can review and change. To update your DNS records, let's come back and click on Update DNS Configuration, where you can freely edit them. One thing to note is that Cloudflare, as you can see, doesn't pre-fill any basic DNS records, so you will need to set everything up from scratch, which can be sometimes tricky for complete beginners. If you want to go and find out what is the cheapest and easiest to use domain registrar, feel free to go and check this video inside here. This is everything from me. Have a nice day and goodbye.